Hello everybody, here we are doing I don't know, like 2-year review on this MZK battery powered tiller from Amazon. If you look at my past videos, you'll see the brand new review. Well, here's a 2-year review, whatever number of years it is. So this is a Lithium Ion MZK tiller. Got horseflies on me. As you can see, doesn't do miracles, but it does okay. You got to get to the weeds when they're small. There's supposed to be cucumbers in here. We're never finding those again. This thing clogs. It clogs pretty quickly. I would say after every 1 or 2 plants, you got to stop, turn it over, and pull everything out with your fingers. It takes quite a bit of time. Battery life, it's okay. If you're going non-stop in heavy weeds, you're only going to get like 10 minutes. If you stop in between and pull out the weeds like I talked about, you'll get maybe 20 minutes, which ain't too bad. The second battery would have been better. I just ordered a weed whacker that is going to be able to take the Milwaukee 18 volt M18 batteries. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow. I'm liking the thought of that better because then I can use my existing batteries for the Milwaukee, which I've got 2 or 3 of instead of just one of these, and I'm thinking the battery life on those is going to be better than this. So it's too bad this thing wasn't compatible with something like a Milwaukee or a DeWalt battery. It works okay. You got to start right away in the spring. If you let these weeds get too tall, you're done. This thing's not going to do it. But here I am this morning. Tilled that section and this section, and I still got 1 bar. I'm gonna continue down this row here and see how far I get with horseflies on my hand biting me. Stupid things. Alright, let's check this out. This is one-handed. Normally you'll push down with that hand and you'll get better grip, dig in a little better. The ground's hard clay right now. There. I don't need to clear those weeds because there really are no weeds here. It's just little ones. This is when you should do it. You should really do it when they're tiny like this. Once they get big, this thing's gonna clog. Here, let's go after some big ones. This ground's a little better worked up than that last area, so it's a little easier. But the weeds are taller. I don't want to get the roots of the cucumbers, so I can't get too close. There we see. It's too bad it doesn't rotate backwards, because that might help clear these weeds. So the key is don't let them get super clogged. If you let it get super clogged, you're going to be spending 10 minutes clearing it. Alright, so I'm going to continue down that cucumber row back there. We'll see how long this battery lasts. Oh, there we are. Battery's dead. Honestly, that wasn't too bad on the last one bar. I was standing about here, tilling that one last. So I was able to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 more cucumber plants. As you notice, I can't do the whole thing because the battery just isn't going to last that long. So I've got to start with just circling the plants. If it's a small garden, you'll be fine. If you got a big garden, you're going to want at least 2 batteries. Batteries take multiple hours to charge. This ain't no 1 hour quick charge. Definitely not half hour. So really, if you till in the morning, plug it back in, you can maybe till again in the afternoon. So twice a day, maybe 3 times a day if you do the evening. So I'd recommend getting 2 batteries at least. If I bought it again, I'd maybe look for something with Milwaukee or Craftsman or DeWalt compatible battery. I'm assuming they make them with these tillers now. I didn't look. Just looked at the weed whackers. Got one coming tomorrow, so I'll get a review on that thing once I get to use it. MZK 20 volt cordless tiller.